In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide a page in Notion. If you want to make your Notion page look cleaner, more organized, and easier to scan, using columns is one of the simplest ways to do it. Dividing a page lets you place content side by side instead of stacking everything in one long vertical list. This is especially useful for dashboards, notes, task layouts, or any page where you want a more structured design. To begin, type your content in separate blocks. In Notion, everything is block-based, which means each paragraph, heading, image, checklist, or other piece of content can be moved independently. Before creating columns, make sure the items you want to place next to each other already exist as separate blocks on the page. This makes the next step much easier. Once your blocks are ready, hover over the block you want to move. On the left side of that block, in the margin, you'll see the 6-dot icon appear. Click and hold that 6-dot handle to grab the block. This is the control Notion uses for dragging and repositioning content. Now drag that block to the left or right side of another block. As you move it into position, watch carefully for a blue vertical guideline. That line is important because it shows you exactly where the block will be placed. When the guideline appears to the side of the other block, that means Notion is preparing to create a column layout rather than placing the block above or below. Release the mouse button to drop the block into place. As soon as you do, Notion will create the column automatically. If the spacing doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry. You can continue dragging blocks again to adjust the layout until it looks the way you want. If you are starting with a new page and want a faster method, you can use /commands. Click on an empty block and type /2c for 2 columns or /3c for 3 columns. Then press Enter. Notion will instantly generate the matching number of empty columns for you. This shortcut is especially helpful when you already know the layout you want before adding content, because it saves time and gives you a clean structure from the start. That's all it takes to divide a page in Notion. Once you get comfortable with dragging blocks and using /commands, building flexible page layouts becomes quick and natural.